Hey, it's Dave with Austin's Kamado Joe Masterclass. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite holiday side dishes, cheesy scalloped potatoes on the Kamado Joe. We're talking ultra creamy, cheesy, and golden on top with just a hint of smoke from lumped charcoal. This is a side dish that disappears fast at Thanksgiving and Christmas. Let me show you how to make it step by step. First, let's get the Kamado Joe set up. I've got my firebox filled about halfway with good lumped charcoal. I'll light it in the center and let it come up to temperature. I'll be cooking these at 400 degrees Fahrenheit indirect, so I've got my heat deflector plates in place and the cooking grate on top. While the grill's coming up to temperature, let's prep everything inside. Here's what you'll need for the base: 4 to 5 gold potatoes, 1 Texas sweet onion, some cooking spray, and a baking dish that will fit inside the Kamado Joe. First, peel the potatoes, then slice them into 1/4 inch rounds. Try to keep them all about the same thickness so they cook evenly. Next, slice a Texas sweet onion into 1/4 inch slices and then separate the rings. Spray your baking dish with a little cooking spray so nothing sticks. Arrange the potatoes and onions up on edge, alternating them. Potato slice, onion ring, potato slice, onion ring. Work your way around the dish until it's full. This makes sure every bite gets both potato and onion. Now let's build the cheese sauce that makes this dish special. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter and let it melt. Once the butter's melted, sprinkle in a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk that together and cook it for about 90 seconds. This is your roux. Now stir in 2 cups of heavy cream. Cook, stirring frequently until the sauce thickens up, about 5 minutes. Once it's thickened, turn the heat down and add 2 cups of grated cheddar cheese. Stir until the cheese is completely melted and the sauce is silky and smooth, about 2 minutes. Now carefully pour that cheese sauce over your arranged potatoes and onions. Take your time and make sure you get sauce down into the gaps and coat all of the potatoes and onions. Once everything's coated, cover the dish with foil that's been sprayed with a little cooking spray. Now let's take it out to the Kamado Joe. Set the baking dish right on the rack over the deflectors, close the dome, and let it cook for 1 hour and 10 minutes. After 1 hour and 10 minutes, open the lid and carefully remove the foil. Close the lid and cook it uncovered for another 20 minutes. This is where you're going to get that golden bubbly cheese top, some slight caramelization around the edges, and a little extra smoky flavor from the lumped charcoal. Check this out. Creamy interior, perfectly cooked potatoes, sweet onion tucked between every slice, and cheesy goodness throughout. This is the side dish that's going to steal the show from your turkey or prime rib. If you want an easy win for your next holiday, make these cheesy scalloped potatoes on your Kamado Joe. Hey, if you liked the video, let me know, and subscribe for more Kamado Joe cooking tips. And take a look at my Kamado Joe 101 playlist right now.